Yes, you can see I'm burning my curry. This is the curry, you know. Nothing will happen when you burn your curry. See the curry? Yes. So I'm about to put it in now. Okay? Right? Curry burn and everything now. So I'm gonna put it inside here now. Wow. You can hear it bubbling away. Okay? I'm gonna stir now. Okay? Yeah. You can see it now. Looking beautiful. Beautiful. Curry chicken. Curry chicken. Okay? Look at it. You can see the carrot. Lots of carrot. Lots of pepper. Okay? Look at it. So put the running now. Yes, so just like it, share, and subscribe to it. Don't forget to touch the notice button. That's the rice. So the rice over there. White rice. Okay? Yes, so just like up the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Auntie Claire way of cooking her food. Right? This is it. Look at it. Beautiful. Ain't it? Ain't it beautiful? Look. And shelly rice. Some shelly rice. Okay, you can see it. Just like. See it? Going away now. So we're gonna have some nice curry chicken. Just share. You want? Just tell me. Shout it out the number. And I will just get it for you. So just like it up. Like it up. Share. Subscribe. Don't forget to touch this button. Touch it up. Declare.